Okay, hi everyone. So, in this video, may bubuksan tayo, may unbox tayo na product natin. No? So, this is a solar light. Specifically, this is a solar floodlight. No? So, in this package, you will have two boxes. Okay. So, first, let's open this one. This is the solar panel. No? So, solar panel with the bracket. No? So, inside it is a solar panel which is a 15 watts solar panel. No? A monocrystalline solar panel. No? So, this is the cord no? which is connected to your solar floodlight. No? Floodlight, the lamp. Okay, so this is the nameplate of your solar panel. So inside here you have the power, which is 15 watts, tolerance plus minus 5%. The VOC niya 6 volts, ang BMP maximum is 5. Then the total current, okay, 3. Then 3.3 short circuit current niya. Okay, so this is the nameplate of your solar panel. So this is the solar panel, and then this is the bracket, no? So this is the where dito nyo i-tap yung yung solar panel, and then this is to your wall, no, or any parts of where this panel is installed, no. So this is a solar bracket, no, the solar panel bracket. And then the second one, this is the second box, okay, which is the solar light, no? So, tingnan natin kung anong laman. So, meron dito the remote, and then the battery, and then meron tayong Allen, no? Allen tool. Okay. And then here we have 3 expansion bolt. Okay, and then the lock of your solar panel to your bracket. And then this one, this expansion bolt is ito ang ginagamit nyo pang lock ng inyong solar panel bracket sa yung concrete wall. And then meron din tayong manual, no? So, ito paano i-install, no? Steps of installing this solar floodlight. And then ito yung solar floodlight natin. Okay, so this is it, no? The solar floodlight. Okay, so this is a 100 watts solar floodlight, which is IP67. Okay, so tingnan natin kung gumagana ba to, no? Kung ano the brightness of this lamp. Okay, so install natin yung yung battery ng remote. So just take note the polarity. So this is negative, this is the positive. The positive one is the one that has a notch, no? Okay, so let's open the remote, then plug in your battery. Okay, so this one, then cover the battery remote. Okay, so this one. Okay, so let's try. This is okay. So no, maganda talaga, no? Umiilaw. It's very bright, no? Okay, so off, on, off. And then, pag gusto nyo na naka-auto yung yung lamp nyo, ano ba yung status ng auto, no? Yung auto, gagamitin nyo to pag gusto nyo na kusa siyang umilaw, no? Paggabi, at saka kusa siyang mamamatay during in the morning, no? So pag may ilaw na nasisense yung panel. So this is less hassle, no? I-install mo lang, then kusa niya siyang umilaw, at saka kusa na siyang mamamatay. So it is applicable to your perimeter area, no? For security, no? So halimbawa gabi na kayong umuwi sa bahay, so pag walang tao sa inyong bahay, so ito magbigay ilaw, no? Dagdag security sa inyong property. Okay, so how to install this one, no? How to connect this one to your panel is connect nyo lang tong connector na to, no? So dito may notch dito, so kailangan nilang i-match, no? So halimbawa dito okay. Okay, so lock niya lang. Hirap. May mali. Okay. Okay, yan. Yan, lock niya lang ng maigi para hindi makapasok yung tubig. Okay. And then, yan. No? Pag ito, nakasense ng lights, no? Coming from the sun. So, kusa siya mag-charge sa inyong battery. So, may indicator dito. No? Pag ng level, no? Sa inyong floodlight. So, ito, umilaw to. Naka-red. Okay. Pag may sunlight, so umilaw to, no? Pag 5 ilaw na ang umiilaw, that means full charge na tong solar floodlight. By the way, dito sa battery, pag may gusto nyo na 3 hours lang na umilaw yung floodlight na to, you can tap the 3 hours. Gusto mong 5 hours lang, gusto mo ng 8 hours. Okay? And also you can adjust the brightness of your lights, no? So pag gusto niyo ng dim, no, i-tap mo lang to, i-press mo lang to until dumilim na, no? Ma-adjust yung ang kanyang ilaw. Okay? Pag i-tap mo tong auto, yan, full ng ang ilaw niya, full blast talaga, na. Pag 3 hours, full blast yan, naka 3 hours. Full blast yan, naka 5 hours. And saka, full blast yan, naka 8 hours. Okay? Iba lang nito, na hanggang umaga siya, umiilaw. Hanggang nakasense yan ng lights coming from the sun. So, kusa siyang mamamatay dito, naka-auto. Okay? So, that's it, no? So, this is your package, no? So, sa ngayon, free installation pa tayo dito sa Danao area. Okay. So, free installation. Okay, paying for the price. Okay. Thank you and God bless.